Install your ceiling speakers. Have you ever wondered on how to get rid of those messy and troublesome speaker wires crowding your living room? Have you wished for the comfort brought about by a surround sound system? Ever wanted to be cool when holding parties? Look no more, for utilizing ceiling speakers is the right thing for you. They can save you a lot of space, not to mention that they do bring aesthetics to the living room. They can fit in your ceilings comfortably without sacrificing sound quality. With the right amount of money and a little bit of initiative, you can install your very own ceiling speakers. Here's how. Think of where to put them. Consider first the area where you would like to install your ceiling speakers, depending also on their primary use. It would be best to install them on the perimeter so as that the sound disperses evenly across the room. When purchasing, always bear in mind the place you would want to place your ceiling speakers to avoid miscalculations on the size and loudness of the equipment. Gather the needed materials. After deciding on where to install your ceiling speakers, collect the needed materials for the installation process, such as a ladder to help you reach the ceiling, tracing material, and measuring tape, cutting equipment and screwdriver to put your speakers in place, and other cleaning materials such as a feather duster and garbage bags. Create a hole in your ceiling. After opening the box of the speakers, you would find a certain cardboard template which you could trace when making a hole in your ceiling. After mounting your ladder and by using a measuring tape, quantify the probable in-between distance that you would want for your ceiling speakers. Make sure that the holes in your ceiling are evenly situated throughout the perimeter of the room. By means of a cutting or drilling device, cut out the traced hole. Avoid hitting any obstacles and wirings hidden above your ceiling. Carefully let the dust fall off into your trash bags. Connect the wires. Attach the wires to the proper and corresponding terminals on the speaker. Always be careful when dealing with wires and electricity. Fit your speakers into the hole. Remove obstructions above the ceiling to make room for your speakers. Utilizing the manual provided, carefully install your speakers into the hole you previously made. You may need to use a screwdriver in strengthening the screws on the speaker so it would not fall off. Be careful not to over-tighten the screws because this can lead to the cracking of your ceiling. After installation, hook your speaker up to the receiver to test if it works properly. Repeat the process for your remaining ceiling speakers. After everything's done, don't forget to wipe off the dust by using a feather duster. Collect all your trash in the garbage bags and put them in their proper places. Now, you're ready for some surround sound action from your theater quality ceiling speakers. And the best part? Your speakers are somewhat maintenance free.